This week is the last time that we'll be working with either TextEdit or Notepad. Beginning next week, we will work in Aptana, which is an integrated development environment. I did want to point out, though, whenever you're working with XHTML and HTML, you will regularly open up in a code editor and work with your files. Last week we created this basic begin.html, which has no content in it, but we can reuse that code again and again when we are working in TextEdit or in Notepad. If I want to open, for example, this file, on a Mac I can control click and then say open with TextEdit. On a PC I can right click and say open with and say Notepad. So that's one way that I can save a little bit of time. Going back over though to Learning Bytes and to my FileZilla FTP account, I left from the previous video everything open, and sometimes you'll find that you don't close this. When you don't close this, you'll see that the connection is closed by the server. This is for your protection so that nothing is uploading or downloading, for example, any malicious code, etc., while you're working with your server. So to upload, I'm going to go to Site Manager. I'm on my computer at cooper@learningbytes.com. I'm going to connect, click OK to establish a new connection, and now I see, where am I? I'm in the Learning Bytes students account. I'm not in the Cooper account. So two things have happened. First, I've had to reset FileZilla because there was a lag between my previous and current entry. Second, I want to make sure I'm in the right account and that I have everything correctly chosen here on my computer. This is my files on this local file. If I go here to Cooper, I see my files here that I've been working on. Occasionally you'll see an additional file here. You don't need to pay any attention to that. Here is FTP quota, and what this is a simple log regarding what I've been uploading or what I've been downloading. If I want to upload intro, it has no content in it. If I want to upload food, if I want to upload begin, and then you will also have your list. I can simply drag and drop. It's now uploaded, or I can double click and it will be uploaded. When I upload a second time, it's going to ask me, do I want to overwrite? I do want to overwrite because let's assume that whatever I've edited here, I want the most previous version to be here. So in which case I would overwrite. I can also skip if I say, wait a minute, I just uploaded this 2 seconds ago. I haven't made any changes. I can skip that. So again, I can upload by dragging and dropping to the right or double clicking. I can also download by dragging and dropping to the left or double clicking, which tells us we need to be very careful as to what our latest version is so that we have the correct account here. The file that is here is what we'll be able to see on the web. The file that is here is what it is that we're going to be working on.